Today we're gonna make this super easy dinner recipe, 1 sheet pan, sausage and peppers. This is super easy. You're gonna wanna make this, save it so you guys can make it one day. Super easy, 1 sheet pan, sausage, peppers, onions, that's it. So here we go, sheet pan, preheat the oven, 425, a pound of sausage. We're gonna put this right in the pan, just like this. That's it. Onion. And then we're just gonna slice the onion like we would normally if you're gonna do sausage and peppers. Take the onions and we're gonna put them around the sausage. It's all gonna cook together. No joke, this takes about 10 minutes to prep. We're gonna cut our pepper. Make sure we have no seeds. So I'm just doing a red and a green pepper. You can do whatever you like. We're gonna slice these. Look at that, it's even colorful and pretty perfect. Okay, olive oil. Drizzle olive oil on top. You want a good amount so it's gonna cook all our veggies and our sausage. And then our seasoning. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt. A teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to do about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. That's it. Ready to go in the oven, 425. Sausage and peppers are ready. For this recipe and hundreds of others, check out my website at nikkigluckas.com.